Imagine stepping into a winter wonderland. The air is filled with the scent of pine and cinnamon. Twinkling lights illuminate charming wooden chalets. This is the magic of Romanian Christmas markets. Unlike the crowded markets of Western Europe, Romania offers a more intimate and authentic experience. The atmosphere is warm and inviting. You'll be greeted with friendly smiles and the sounds of traditional carols. Romanian Christmas markets are a feast for the senses. The aroma of roasted chestnuts and mulled wine fills the air. You'll be captivated by the sight of handcrafted ornaments and decorations. The sound of traditional folk music adds to the festive ambiance. Whether you're strolling through the market or sipping on hot wine, you're sure to be enchanted by the spirit of Romanian Christmas. These markets are more than just shopping destinations. They are a celebration of Romanian culture and traditions. They are a place where families and friends gather to share in the joy of the season. Get ready to experience the true meaning of Christmas in the heart of Romania. Romanian Christmas markets are a culinary paradise. Prepare your taste buds for a symphony of flavors. One of the star attractions is sarmale. These savory cabbage rolls are filled with spiced meat and rice, slow-cooked to perfection. Don't forget to try them with a dollop of sour cream for an extra layer of flavor. Next up we have mititei, Romania's answer to the sausage. These grilled minced meat rolls are bursting with savory spices. You'll find them sizzling on grills throughout the markets. Grab a few with some mustard and a side of pickles for a truly satisfying treat. For those with a sweet tooth, cozonac is a must-try. This traditional sweetbread is fluffy, fragrant, and filled with a variety of delicious fillings like walnuts, poppy seeds, or cocoa. Each bite is a heavenly experience. And of course, no Romanian Christmas market experience is complete without a cup of mulled wine. This warming beverage is infused with spices like cinnamon, cloves, and star anise. It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly evening. Each region of Romania adds its own unique flavor to the Christmas market experience. In Transylvania, you'll find hearty dishes like curtos calac, a chimney cake coated in sugar and cinnamon. Moldova is known for its delicious pies, filled with cheese, cabbage, or potatoes. And in Wallachia, you'll find a variety of meat dishes including grilled sausages and roasted pork. These regional specialties showcase the diversity of Romanian cuisine. They offer a glimpse into the culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Whether you're a fan of savory or sweet treats, you're sure to find something to tantalize your taste buds at a Romanian Christmas market. So come hungry and ready to experience the true taste of Romanian Christmas. Romanian Christmas markets offer a unique charm that sets them apart from other European markets. One of the key differences is the emphasis on tradition and authenticity. Many of the vendors are local artisans, selling handcrafted goods that reflect Romanian culture and heritage. Another difference is the affordability. Compared to other European markets, Romanian markets offer great value for money. You'll find unique gifts and delicious food without breaking the bank. This makes it the perfect destination for budget-conscious travelers. Finally, Romanian markets offer a more intimate and less crowded experience. You'll be able to stroll through the markets at your own pace, soaking up the festive atmosphere without feeling rushed. This makes it the perfect place to relax and enjoy the spirit of Christmas. Ready to experience the magic of Romanian Christmas markets for yourself? Here are a few tips to help you plan your trip. Best time to visit. Romanian Christmas markets typically run from late November to December. Top destinations. Some of the most popular markets include Sibiu, Cluj-Napoca, and Bucharest. What to wear? Be sure to pack for cold weather, as temperatures can drop below freezing. Currency. The local currency is the Romanian leu, or RON. Getting around public transportation is readily available in most major cities. Accommodation? Book your accommodation in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. With its charming atmosphere, delicious food, and affordable prices, Romanian Christmas markets offer an unforgettable holiday experience. So, start planning your trip today and discover the magic of Romanian Christmas.